Hey everyone, today I have 3 Dollar Tree Halloween DIYs that are fun and creative and I think you will enjoy. By the way, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Tanya and I hope you all like, share, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with some of these little skeletons. I'm going to remove the little rings off of them because I want to be able to place these where I want the body parts to be on this design. Now I'm going to do 2 coats of the Rust-Oleum chalk paint on here, and that makes these nice and bright and white, and that's going to be perfect for this design. Now I'm going to take one of those black wooden signs from the Crafter Square section, paint it with some just black acrylic paint, and then I use that little stand. I love those, everyone. They're in the Crafter Square section also, and they're little round picture frames, but they make wonderful stands for projects like this. Now I did a little hot glue and wood glue, and we're just going to glue that on the back, and I will touch up the back of that later. I just wanted to get this design done today. Now you can see why I broke the skeletons apart. Now I'm going to have 2 of them on here, and I want these little guys to be standing behind the sign, and then we're going to put that fun little saying on the sign. And I do use my Cricut to design my little "Have a Beautiful Day," but you could also just write that on with a chalk marker if you wanted to. Now make sure you hot glue those really well, and you could add a little wood glue if you wanted to. And I'm just going to pop their little heads back on here, and this is why I like to take those little rings off of there, because you can really place these parts where you want them to be and make the skeleton's arms be a certain way. But everyone, this turned out too cute. I think this is just one of those fun little pieces that's really not spooky, but it's just a little something if you just want to set something up for Halloween or, just the month of October. So I do hope that you enjoy these. And I'll go ahead while I'm gluing these on. Now the last one, I'm probably not going to talk through that, but I took some of the canvas prints, and I had 2 of them, but I only did 1 today. And I painted those little ghosts on there, and they turned out really, really nice. So I hope you stick around to the end because I think you will enjoy that. Now I'm just going to put their arms going up here and make it kind of look like they're holding hands. They're all excited and they're just happy to tell you to have a beautiful day today. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip it back over, and then we're going to glue the legs on right there at the bottom. That you can see how I kind of just left the one part of the leg off because I just wanted to look like the legs were popping out. But I think they're too cute, and I hope that you do also. Now here's where I printed that off on my Cricut, and I'm just going to put that "Have a Beautiful Day" right there in the center, and this made the most fun little design. And this would look great just setting in a foyer or just on a shelf somewhere, or really anywhere that you wanted to place it just for the Halloween decor and just for October. Well, everyone, like I said, I've got 2 more for you today. And here is our little skeletons, and they couldn't be cuter. So definitely let me know if you're going to give these a try. Now for our next one, I'm just going to take some more of that acrylic paint. You can see I painted one of those little houses. We're going to use some of that basil green. And I just wanted to pull in a little pop of that green, but I didn't want it to be too loud. And I really like that little basil green. It's not neon green, but it's kind of muted a little. And then of course I pulled in some white because I like the white, and I thought that would look pretty with the little skeleton guys that I had just done. Now I use my Cricut again, and I thought, how cute would it be to do the "Home Sweet Home" on the bats, and these turned out so cute, everyone. And I think I'm finally getting more familiar with that Cricut now. So if you have one, go ahead and pull that out and give it a try, because I'm finding out that it really is fun to use. Now I was trying to figure out how I was going to put these on the house, and I thought about wire, and then I thought, you know what, I'm going to take these skewers and I'm just going to glue these on the back, And I end up painting them with some of that basil green. And I really like how this turned out. I just thought it looked really neat. Almost like maybe little chimney stacks coming up or something. But I don't know. You'll have to let me know what you think. But I thought this was another really fun and creative design. And just that little something for the October month and for Halloween. Now I am just hot gluing these on here. You could add a little wood glue on there if you were worried about it having a permanent hold. But everyone, these were so fun. Now, I will tell you why I'm finishing this up. I am going to kind of be bouncing back and forth between a little bit of fall, a little bit of Halloween, and the Christmas. I'm just trying to use up some of the items that I have in my craft stash. So I guess I'm going to be surprising you each week. And I'm sorry I've been missing for a little bit. I wasn't feeling well, so I had to kind of get back into the creative world. Now, here I am adding that little bit of that green onto the stick. And I just thought that finished this design off. You'll have to let me know what you think. But I thought this turned out so pretty. I thought this was just a fun little design. Well, everyone, here it is. I've got it displayed on the shelf so you can take a look. And it couldn't be cuter. Now, everyone, here comes the painting ghost. And like I said, I'm just going to let you watch this one. And I just think this was such a fun one to do. So check out and see if you can find these canvases and try painting some of these. This was such a fun one. Well, everyone, here's our little ghost painting, and I do hope that you can find some of these canvas prints so you can give this one a try. Well, if you enjoyed today's video, everyone, I hope you give this video a thumbs up. That really does help me, and also share with your friends, and don't forget to leave me a comment. All of those things really help my channel to grow and helps me get my videos out to more people. Well, I will see you on the next one, and have a wonderful weekend.